Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 2. Let's start off by talking about what is due this week. You have your weekly topic goals that need to be completed. If you finished all 40 topics in week 1, then you only have 40 topics to complete for week 2. If you did not finish all of your topics in week 1, then you'll need to complete what is left in week 1 in addition to your week 2 required topics of 40. You also have the Unit 2 measurement piece in ALEKS that needs to be completed with an 85% or above. This means that 85% of a Unit 2 PIE needs to be mastered by Sunday night. If you did not finish your Unit 1 work, please don't wait to reach out to your instructor. Talk to them immediately so they can help you set up a plan to get this in as quick as possible. Please remember to ask your instructor about their late policy in their classroom, so you know how you'll be graded. If you haven't finished Lesson 1, you just need to click on Continue on My Path to keep working in ALEKS. This will guide you to finish up the Unit 1 topics that you still have to learn, and then put you into your Unit 2 when this is completed. Remember that you'll need to work at least 1 hour per day in ALEKS, a minimum of 5 hours per week, so you can have plenty of time to get your work done. So depending on how many topics you have will determine how many hours you need to spend. If you are behind, you'll need to put in additional hours on top of the 5 hours per week to master your current work and past work. If you don't know the due dates by now, please speak to your instructor so you can keep track of the work that needs to be done. Let's go into ALEKS now. Every time you log in, you'll see Continue My Path. You can click on this and continue on our journey in this class. Once you have hit 85% in your Unit 2 PIE, it will unlock the topics that you need to learn in your Unit 3 PIE. I just wanted to show you in the labs that whatever problem you're working on, the topic is right here at the top. So we're working on ratios, proportions, and percents. That's what this problem is. You can actually click on this arrow and it will show you all the different types of topics that you can work on. So you can click on any of these to work on it. If you're on Unit 2 for this week, they'll say measurement at the top. As I mentioned in the Lesson 1 video, the way you check what percentage you're in your PIE, you can click right here in the menu, which is located right there. Then you can click on your grade book, and then you'll see all the different units here and their percentages. You can also go into your menu and click on assignments, and then if you click on View Upcoming, you can see your different topic goals, when they're due, and then the score that you're going to be getting. When you've mastered the material of 85%, then you're ready to take your Unit 2 tests. Remember to set up a schedule on Saturday or Sunday that allows you 1 to 2 hours of time to get this done. Please try and take the Unit 2 test after you've mastered the 85% of your Unit 2 PIE and completed the topics. Remember that mastering the material means you're ready to take the test and show what you know. You can find the tests up here under Menu, then under Assignments. Then you might have to click on View Upcoming and View All again, and there's your Unit 2 test. The assessment will not present the topics in the same order as they were learned. And I'd like to mention that you're not tested on every single topic that you've learned, but you should know every topic that you've mastered for these tests. Remember, if you want to do well, then you need to put in the time and effort needed to get these topics completed. If you need help because you're struggling, remember that you're not alone and that you do have a few options. You have the Explain button in ALEKS. Let me show you where that is. So if you go into ALEKS and then you click on Learn, you'll see your problem right here, and then down here is where the explanation button is, and that will break down the problem step by step. So use this often, it really helps. Your second option is to ask the instructor for help. You can speak to your instructor about their availability for tutoring, or you can speak to your program director. Remember to keep up the amazing work, and we're here to help you. Just reach out and ask.